Gavin's excited. Look at him. Yay! Yeah, I think he's done. Logan's ball. Mommy's ball. Logan's ball. Hey boys, say good morning. Oh, look at Logan. Gavin, say good morning. Oh, he got stuck on sleeper there. Morning guys, we just pulled up to somewhere really fun. If you guys remember, we mentioned that we want to do more things with the boys on the weekends to get their energy out, and you know, because it's the weekend and we want them to have more fun, and plus once baby gets here it might be a little bit harder, right? Yeah. The park is what we've been doing lately, but we decided to do something a little bit funner this time, so we came to the Phoenix Zoo. Logan, we're at the zoo. You want to go see zebras and elephants? Yeah, Gavin, do you want to go see animals? Gavin's excited. Look at him. Yay! You guys can come with us today. We're going to hang out here for a couple hours. Hopefully it goes good. Hopefully they're into it. One thing I will mention is I know it's a lot of walking, and I had ordered my support belt. It's coming in today. It just didn't come in soon enough. So I'm hoping that with just having like my flannel, I have a flannel around my waist. Oh yeah, you did that last time. Underneath my belly, and that actually helped when we did a walk. So hopefully, I mean, I know they have benches and picnic tables, so I might have to take a couple of breaks, but I'm hoping that I can do it for at least a little while, so. Okay. All right, let's go. What do you think, buddy? It's a real giraffe. Gavin, do you see it?
Yeah, Gavin's picking out.
Yeah.
You said giraffe.
Good.
Oh, giraffe.
Giraffe. Wow, you see that? Yeah. All right, we're all gonna make it over to Robbie's on top around the trail. Hopefully we see some zebras, some elephants.
Now I'm in the shot.
Yeah, now you're in the shot. There, everybody, all the short people. Do you see the lion? Look at it, it's right there. You see it? Oh my gosh.
You know, it's scary how tall these walls are.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Seriously, like.
Take a shot back that way. See how tall the walls are?
Yeah.
Jump this high.
Oh my gosh. You see the turtles? Yeah? You wanna go see? You wanna go up more? This is like big turtles. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 big turtles. Cool, huh? What do you see? A butterfly over there, huh? Yeah. They have like a bugs exhibit, like big bugs exhibit, and I think they're like big mechanical ones, and there's like a butterfly. It's pretty cool. I think Logan's starting to get more comfortable now. He's not wanting to hold on to my hand the whole time. Oh, Logan, hey, but you gotta wait for us, buddy. Where are you going? There's nothing over here. Ah, I can't run after you, buddy. Hey, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You see it? You see it? Look at the monkeys.
Hi, monkey.
Hi, monkey. Yeah. Say hi, monkey. I don't see a cheetah. Kind of glad, because I'm kind of wondering why there isn't a bigger wall. Oh, we're so hungry, Gav. Yeah, we packed plenty of snacks. Here, we got snacks in here, we got snacks in there. Are you guys ready? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Monkeys! There is one up there. Logan, do you see your cousin? Look at it. There it is. You see it, Logan? There's a couple more over there, Logan. You see that? Gavin, do you see the monkey? Do you see? He's like, I don't care for monkeys. Look at, oh, look at him. Whoa, look at Gav. Gav, look. Oh, wow. Look at that. Do you see that, bud? Okay, and you're going on a bridge. It's a bridge. It's a shake, shake bridge. More monkeys. So the baby one is under the sheet right there. There's mama and then the baby down there. You see that one? Seems like we jinx ourselves though, because every time we put a wild child shirt on him, that's when he starts acting pretty wild. It's a golden peasant. Ooh, look at that, Gab, look.
He's that cool looking one.
That cool. There's so many birds just kind of flying around everywhere. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go see Ellie. Elephant and tigers. He's so excited. Do you see it?
Hi,
Yeah. Hi, Ellie. There's the skeleton heads of a elephant, juvenile elephant. I think that's the jaw and then a baby one. The elephant's tooth. Yep. Yep. Wow! Look at you!
Yeah.
Look, Daddy's gonna get on. In a tractor, buddy!
Say hi to the goats. Hi, goat.
Hi, goat.
Hi, goat. They're like the puppies. Look at that. Hi, goat.
Logan's just exploring today. Wow! Don't get in there. It's not a dog. It's not Basil.
He was treating him like dogs. I was a little nervous he's gonna jump one of the goats. I was like, let's stay close.
Yeah. Logan, it's a pumpkin. It's a huge pumpkin. He's like, my veggies are here. What is that? It's a horsey. You want to sit on? You want to sit? Yeah, you want to go on the slide? What do you see there, Gab? See all the letters? Did you guys bring your passports? Because we're entering Colombia.
Just a shot away from the corner where I used to play with my friends as a kid. I
Big
saw
frog.
a man with a pulled up collar
Yeah, it's a
playing
big
banjo
frog.
with an invisible stick singing. Oh, sing now.
Look, Evan, look.
Turn around and wave
see
to
it?
a kid who is running
It's right there, it's
on
a
his
stingray.
bike.
Oh, there's another one right
Not a
there.
day that's spent doing nothing,
Ooh.
just wait until the night. And if you find
Look, they're sleeping.
salvation,
You see that?
it's the only thing to do.
There's another one over there.
You don't have to look no further.
Yeah.
'Cause I'll take care of it for you. I'll take
There's a
care
lizard.
of it for
See that?
you.
Lizard. You see it? Lizard.
1, 2, 3. Come on.
Why do I
These
have to
boys
be
are
so
ready.
humble when the
These are
rest
ready,
of the
huh?
world doesn't care about a thing?
I know.
Such a waste
Oh my
of
gosh, look at that. What is that?
You looking at it?
Kind of, yeah. Yeah, I think he's done. You see those? Look at the flamingos. Wow. So many. That's cool. I think they're sleeping. How convenient that the zoo exit is in the gift shop. Can you guys believe we were there 3 hours? 3 whole hours without a stroller. I told Robbie we should bring the stroller. He said no. And then I was like, well, we can rent one if we need to, but
Put my foot down.
yeah, you did. Yeah.
No stroller.
Yeah. Well, I just
They're
didn't
big
want the
boys.
boys to have like a
It's
fit or
easier
like
with the stroller.
it is easier, but like I'm glad because they actually like they did stop and like you can tell they didn't want to walk anymore, but they just kept up, which was really cool. Logan, you did so good. Was that fun? Was that fun? Did you see Ellie and the monkeys? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh? Kevin's like, yep. So I seriously don't know how these boys are not asleep. Why aren't you tired? We did a lot today. I'm tired. We've been home for a little while actually. We put them straight to nap. Well, Logan we did, and he didn't take a nap. I slept maybe 20 minutes, and then I heard Logan pounding on the door or on the wall. And then Gavin was out here with Robbie and didn't fall asleep. It was a nice time at the park, but man, all the walking, it's like just tiring. But that's okay, I guess. Actually, one of my neighbors just had a baby 2 days ago, so I told her I would make her an enchilada casserole with some rice. So I'm gonna do that right now since I'm awake. Oh, Minnow's awake too right now. I told Robbie that the whole time we were at the park, I didn't feel a kick, and then since we got home and I laid down, I started kicking. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Say we went to the zoo. We? Say we went to the zoo. I saw.
He's doing so good.
Yeah, he does. He's been really good with words lately. And there's my enchiladas, guys. I actually managed to make 2 casseroles, so we have one. And then I made some rice that I'm gonna divide into 2. So I'll just have Robbie take it over there right now. I think they might be home. I think the hubby is home getting stuff ready for them to come home because I think they're all coming home today. And this way they'll have like a yummy meal to eat so they don't have to make anything. Hopefully this helps them out for at least 1 night or maybe 2. All right guys, my back hurts. I got a ball finally, so thank God Robbie went out yesterday and got it for me because lately, like I've been mentioning.
Welcome.
Oh, you're so sweet. Lately, my back's been hurting me so much. I also just got my maternity belt. I ordered it on Amazon and it just came in, so hopefully this also helps alleviate some of like the pain in my back and the round ligament pain I read that it said it'll help with, and the varicose veins too, because on top of like wearing my stockings, just lifting the belly too will relieve some of the pressure on those veins. Logan, are you bouncing with mommy? You're so funny. I just can't lay that way though. I can't lay like that yet. Logan's ball, mommy's ball, Logan's ball. Now we can bounce together, okay? But anyways, guys, we're gonna say goodnight. I think this is gonna be the end of our day. Oh, Logan used to have to take a bath. I don't know where we get the energy. Did you have fun at the zoo?
Actually, I did. It was really nice there.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get in. I'm not in these a lot lately.
Yeah, you are. Today you were in it a lot.
Well, today, yeah, but not, well, you know, it's mostly been pregnancy vlogs, so.
Kind of, yeah. Well, that's been like my
She's so
life
bright,
lately.
I think.
But anyways, guys, we're gonna say goodnight. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Logan, say ciao. See you guys at the next one. Say ciao. Say it again. Say ciao.